Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove followers on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. Or if you are using iOS device, just go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So I'm going to this app. So to remove your followers on Likee, you just need to go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of human shape. Just click on this. So here in my account, there are 0 followers. So I'm not able to remove any followers here because of no quantity. So for instance, if you want to remove followers, just click on this followers and here you will be able to see your followers in this platform like this. So just tap on this following and unfollow and it will be removed. So in this way, you can just remove followers on Likee app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.